It's Tech Lid, and we're bullish. The stampede is coming, baby. In this video, we will be talking about Gamestop stock. The ticker symbol for this stock, GME, of course. At the current time of the video, GME is going for $214. Over the course of the last 5 days, GME is down a little bit. It's down $3.73, which is about 1.71%. Not too much to worry about here, honestly, in terms of the price. Let's take a look here at this chart. This is a 5-day chart for GME. I'm going to take a look at two support levels and then a resistance level that GME could definitely break. Look, as we've seen over the course of the last 5 days, we've had these highs as high as what, 226, 227, and then it has been as low as about 198. So this thing has really swung. So there is definitely some earning potential here over the course of the next week or two. This is the first support level, which is around the price where we are at. GME at $214.65 is the support level. Currently, it's a bit under at $214.22. So this is that first level of support. As you could see, it touched here a few times during the week. The second level of support, $218. Once again, it was able to touch this level a few times over the course of the last 5 days. You could see the waves up and down, up and down. Now, the level of resistance that it touched earlier last week, $224. This is definitely the level where we want to see GME get up to, and it could most certainly break that level. Right here where we are right now, we would like to see GME get to that next level of support, and then what might be happening if it touches near that resistance, we could have that up and down movement where it goes up, then back down, but up, and then eventually if it does break resistance, we want it to go past that level of 224 and beyond, wherever it is that may go. Now, let's take a look at some news for GME here. We're not going to go through this whole article, but this is the article from shacknews.com. The headliner reads, GameStop joining the Russell 1000 index, rebalancing set for after the market close. So let's just take a look at a section here. Right here. Analysts believe that GameStop will face some selling pressure over the next few days. GameStop had grown to be one of the largest stocks in the entire Russell 2000, and it will comprise a materially smaller fraction of the Russell 2000. Jefferies analyst Steven DeSantis told Barron's that he estimates a total of 5 million shares of GME will be sold as a result of the Russell rebalancing. Large cap managers don't need to own the smaller names, said DeSantis, while in Russell 2000, because it's a bigger name, small cap managers have to pay attention to the stock. This could lead to a divergence in the performance of AMC and GME shares, which up until June had been two peas in a very demented pod. It's definitely interesting to see GameStop back in the same stock market index as mega companies like Microsoft and Apple. But after its mammoth run from the lows of 2020, investors shouldn't be surprised by anything. So basically, GME is on this new index, which is pretty much playing with the big boys, Microsoft and Apple. So it's definitely something to keep an eye on. Look, this article, by the way, June 25th, 2021 is when the article was written. So yes, there has been a sell-off quite a bit over the last few days. Yeah, right here, June 25th at 2:14, it did indeed go down to $199.54. So they were absolutely right. There was a sell-off. But look at that, GME is already recovering and it looks to head north. Let me know what you guys think about GME. I know it was just a small bit of news, but I think that any type of news you get, you got to keep your eyes open because as you saw right there, they mentioned the sell off, which did occur. So always keep your eyes open. Just a quick disclaimer before we go, I am not a financial advisor. Always make sure to do your own due diligence and research when you invest in any type of market. When you do the homework and you do the research, you will come out winning. Bank on it. Make sure you like the video. If you don't like it, that's totally cool. Be honest with it. Give it a thumbs down. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. Until the next time, peace and love to the Tech Lid Legion.